Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. And actually not, because I forgot that the developer options are not activated. So first of all, let's enter the About phone, and now let's scroll down to find the build number. Now let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, or if you've got any kind of screen lock, let's enter it to confirm. So now we can go back and enter the system, and as you can see, the developer options will appear. And now basically all you have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher here, and from now on your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.